It is one of China's most high-profile human rights trials this year. Pu Zhiqiang, a well-known Chinese rights lawyer, is standing trial on charges of inciting ethnic hatred. The charges, his lawyers say, revolve around 7 microblog posts that he made online. The posts criticized China's ethnic policy in the troubled region of Xinjiang and denounced several officials. He now faces up to 8 years in prison if convicted. Outside the courthouse, supporters gather in solidarity.
If we, as ordinary people in China, don't speak out, we'll be repressed. Just like this, we will be pushed down and repressed. We need freedom of speech, we need democracy, we need peace.
Police presence was higher than usual. Pu's case will be seen by rights groups and the West as a measure of what they say is China's most severe clampdown on human rights in 2 decades. As many as 11 diplomats from countries including the US, Germany and France were also outside the courthouse. US diplomat Dan Beers was among them. When he first began to read out his statement, police moved in and shoved him away from the cameras. He was later able to speak.
The Embassy of the United States remains concerned that Pu Zhiqiang, a prominent Chinese defense lawyer, is being tried under vague charges of inciting ethnic hatred and picking quarrels and provoking trouble. Lawyers and civil society leaders, such as Mr. Pu, should not be subject to continuing repression, but should be allowed to contribute to the building of a prosperous and stable China. We urge Chinese authorities to release Mr. Pu and call upon China to uphold fundamental civil rights and fair trial guarantees as enshrined in the PRC Constitution and its international human rights commitments. Thank you.
Pu has represented many well-known dissidents, including artist Ai Weiwei and activists of the New Citizens Movement. He was detained in May 2014 after attending a meeting to commemorate the suppression of pro-democracy protests in and around Tiananmen Square in 1989. Pu participated in the protests and has vowed to commemorate them every year.